guys, good evening. So I always say this, but I've been invited to a cooking masterclass by Mhouseenu. We'll be creating some Colombian cuisine, so I'm very excited. This is my first official cooking class with a chef, so I'm very excited. I can't wait to see how this evening goes. I know if Arita is going, so at least I have someone to talk to. I don't know who's going to be there, but I'm excited and I'm about to step out. So this is my look for the cooking class, and then I'm wearing this dress it's a jumpsuit from Eye Candy. Yeah, it's from Eye Candy. So that's what I'm wearing. Yeah, okay, so you can see the back. Let me just stand here, tilt, and then okay, so it's a shorts, as you can see. Yeah. Yes, and then I really like the hands. Yeah, it's really nice. So it's being organized by Mhouseenu. I can't wait. And after we cook, we would head downstairs to Madame Butterfly to have dinner and just enjoy the meal we've prepared. So I'm really excited. I'm about to request my Uber. I don't have a car, so I'm always requesting an Uber. Yes, so I'm about to request my Uber and then head to town because today is Friday and I don't want to get into any traffic. It's at 7 p.m. but I want to be out early so I don't get into traffic basically. So yes, I'll see you in the class. Okay, hopefully I can record and they won't like restrict me from filming. So I'll try and put in some few bits here and there and that. Yes, and I also have some exciting news. I'm being honored. There's this award. It says celebrating 100 Ghanaian motherhood moguls, I think entrepreneur moguls, and I've been nominated as one of the people they are honoring. So I'll be accepting that award tomorrow. No, it's on Saturday. Yeah, tomorrow at Alisa Hotel. So tomorrow I have that's the dress peeping at the back there, the Ankara dress that you keep seeing at the back. So that's the dress I'll be wearing for this award tomorrow. It's an Ankara night, so everyone is supposed to be in an Ankara dress, so hence the Ankara at the back. So I'll be wearing that tomorrow for the award. Yeah, so I'll take you guys with me today and tomorrow because there are things happening in my life. So yeah, let's head to the class now, or let's just head out basically. I'll see you in the class. See you. Oh, that's not the door.
No, that's a door to a restaurant.
Okay.
Adjust yourself. Face and adjust yourself.
Sorry. Hello. Let's see if we'll find this
Face
one.
and adjust. You want to find a spot? So who wants to adopt? What's your name? Jessica. Jessica, you a good cook?
Yes.
Okay. We have a very good cook here. Who wants to get her?
I think there are spaces here, right?
Jessica is known for her. What? That's perfect. That's perfect. You want to join this group, Jessica?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to do it again. This one didn't went round. Okay.
So it's stuck because there wasn't enough oil?
No, because my paper was too small. My plastic. So cut it bigger than mine.
Okay.
Cut your bag in two.
Okay.
Okay. And then we get a little bit of our filling. Okay? And do take the water out of your filling. Because if not, you'll break your empanada. So you want to go like this, a little ball. Okay? And you put it in.
Hi. Okay, so what are you making?
What's the name again?
Empanadas.
Empanadas.
Empanadas. Okay.
So we are frying, we are rolling, we are
Okay, so I need your attention here. I need your attention. We're gonna do the ají, the sauce. So we have chopped scallions, okay? Lemon juice, red onions, diced tomatoes. We're gonna put more green onions in there. And every Colombian ají has cilantro in it. That's our secret ingredient in Colombian food, cilantro. We use a lot of cilantro. So for cilantro, coriander, I'm gonna show you a little trick because you shouldn't put your knife through it more than once because it will turn dark. So you do a little parcel. See? You make a little parcel. And you only go through it once. You mix all of your ingredients there.
The scallions, onions, tomatoes, and the coriander, and
Perfect.
lemon juice.
And then we put some fresh drinking water on it. Be sure it's good water because we're not going to cook this. And that's how you batch it up. And you let the heat come down from the cayenne. And this is your sauce for the empanadas. See? You could put pineapple in there, you could put jalapenos in there, you could put mango in there, you could put, what more? Oranges in there.
Mango?
Papaya, deli.
Mango?
You could put coconut.
Could you put mango in there?
Mango in there. Okay? Avocado in there. Just chopped little avocado. So mostly whatever you like, you can put in there.
And whatever measurements you like.
I'm sorry?
The measurements, anyhow you like.
Anyhow you like.
Okay.
And if you like spicy, you put a lot of spice.
Okay, I think last one.
I don't want to try the ones that look good. The ones that don't look good.
No, take the ones that look good. You've earned it.
Okay. So this is the
Empanada.
empanada.
Yes.
And then what's this called?
I don't know. I forgot.
What's the name of the sauce?
Ají.
Okay, go.
So this is the empanada, and this is the sauce you put it in. So you have to break the top off and eat it. Take a bit of the sauce and put that on top.
Okay, we're gonna start next recipe. I'm sorry.
Would you do this at home?
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. This is it. Take a look. Take a look.
Yeah.
It looks so good. This is perfection. Okay. This is my team. Hi team. It looks really good. Hola. Hi Jessica. Your birthday shy. I want you to be shy, small.
Okay, so I'm gonna pass
And that's June, taking the pictures.
Okay? That's the one. Don't let anyone tell you it's burning, get it out. See when somebody comes in. Your pot is burning, no, it's not burning. It's how it's supposed to be.
shrimp. Get the shrimp. Okay, get the shrimp and...
So you will come and take your ice cream. So you take all things down, please. Come and get it.
Come and get it.
Just
So we are done and we are heading home right now.
I'm so full. I'm so happy. It was a great experience. I learned a lot. I'm gonna be a better person for tonight.
Yeah, and it was lovely meeting everyone and just good vibes all around.
Good vibes, good vibes. I'll see you in the next video. Adios. Bye. Hey loves, so it's time for the awards. As you can see, I'm ready to go. So it's happening at the Alisa Hotel and it's celebrating 100 Ghanaian motherhood moguls and I'm being honored. Yes, it's the Xperience of Womanity Awards. So let's head to the awards right now. Yeah, let's go.
let's take our Owusu-Ansah. Let's take our Owusu-Ansah. Please let's do that.
On behalf of South Africa Presidency, God bless you. Saka, I hope I got it right.
Sometimes feeling like I'm doing a vlog.
Wow. What's up?
Don't worry.
You remove the voice.
Hey, Xperience.